So the question that we're given to work with on 2N is a pharmacist prepares a stock solution by mixing 2 3/4 milliliters drug A, 3.5 milliliters drug B, and 4 milliliters of drug C. He then withdraws 3/8 milliliters and 2 1/4 milliliters. How many milliliters remain in the stock solution? So the first thing that I'm going to do here is actually just add up drugs A, B, and C. And so in order to do this, I'm going to create improper fractions so that I can add all the fractions together. So 2 3/4 will become 11/4 because 4 times 2 is 8 plus 3 gives us 11. 2 times 3 is 6 plus 1 is 7. And that 4 will become an improper fraction of 4/1. So now I'm going to create the lowest common denominator or factor, and the lowest common factor that we are dealing with is the number 4. So we're going to have 11/4 plus 2 times 2 gives us 4, so what we do to the denominator we must do to the numerator, so that will give us 14 plus 16/4 for the exact same reason. Okay. And what that will actually give us is a total of 41/4 milliliters of stock solution. Okay. Now, what the question is saying to us, though, is that the pharmacist withdraws 3/8 plus 2 1/4. Okay, so again what I'm going to do is I'm going to find out the total amount in a fraction form of what has been withdrawn here. So the 3/8 will remain the same, but I have to make the 2 1/4 an improper fraction, so 4 times 2 gives us 8 plus 1 is 9, so 9/4. The lowest common factor here is going to be that 8, so we're going to have 3/8 plus 18/8 is equal to 21/8. So the 21/8 is the total amount that has been withdrawn. Okay, running out of space is right withdrawn. Okay, so now what I can do is I can take the original stock solution of 41/4 and subtract that from the 21/8 to find out exactly what is left. Okay, again we need a lowest common factor. That lowest common factor will be 8, so I'm going to multiply that 4 by 2 to get 8, and what I do to the denominator I must do to the numerator, so I will get 82, subtract 21/8, and that actually gives us a numerator of 61/8, and now I can go ahead and create that into its mixed fraction. So 8 goes into 61 approximately 7 times with 5 as a remainder, and the 8th will stay there. So the final answer for our stock solution is the pharmacist is left with 7 5/8 milliliters.